like a home?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, how much did that just melt your heart? Greetings from our much prettier RV. This is my favorite transformation and I am so excited to show you our newly renovated RV bedroom.
We already painted the cabinets and put in the new flooring in the bedroom, and if you want to know how we did that, we'll put links in the description below. But let's get to the good stuff.
Welcome to this video. It's Ivory.
We continued our renovation in Scandinavian style, which I'm so excited about because it's all coming together swimmingly. So pumped. So we picked a lamp out, a chandelier, and I was so excited about this. You had your hesitations. You thought this was going to be big and bulky.
Okay, the first one you picked was like twice the size, so when you picked this one, I was much happier.
I wanted to go with wood because if you think about Scandinavian design, it's all about clean lines, natural finishes, very simplistic, and I thought wood would be really nice, a nice pop in this RV. So I picked one out, we got it in, it was like a jigsaw puzzle. It was crazy.
It really was too. It arrived like it just came from IKEA.
It reminded me of a STEM project that I did when I was like in 3rd grade and I was so excited about it. This will be easy, right?
Well, you like to order all these funky designs and lights. Literally, you order a light that's a puzzle piece. Look at it. Thanks a lot. Pistro.
Sounds exotic. Sounds exotic. I like it. And that's a nice thank you. They actually put it on wood. They probably use their scraps. They're repurposing, saving the environment. I like it. Don't see C. Okay.
Any one of these. There's 32 of them. There's 32 of them, Morgan. There's 32 of these things, right? It's definitely one of those.
So cute. Did it wrong.
No, stop.
You did the whole thing wrong.
I didn't do it wrong. I just
Didn't do it right.
the wrong.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Is this gonna spin the whole time?
It'll be cool.
Didn't come with a bulb.
Do you have any idea what you're doing as far as luck?
Look.
I feel like you're gonna just...
That scared me.
Savage love?
Jason got a little scared me.
Did you think that when you did that it turned on the music?
Yeah. It is really cool.
Brown is alive.
That's what it says on this map. So.
Ah!
Just kidding.
Oh my gosh! Think it's gonna work?
Don't know.
Is it gonna support it? Like...
Pro tip. RV lighting is not the same as household lighting, as we learned from our friend Matt this week. Right, so you think then if we get the 12 volt battery, or 12 volt bulb, that will potentially work?
It's worth a shot.
Okay. Alright, moment of truth. I'm ready. It works. If you get a nice, shiny new household light fixture in your RV, as long as your light bulb is 12 volts, which is DC power, not AC power, which is household items, 120 volts, it will work.
What does this do?
Do you like it?
Oh my goodness, what is this?
Look up.
What do you think?
Cool.
My favorite part of our bedroom that just I think made everything come together in the RV bedroom was the headboard. I'm so pumped about this and I was so nervous about this.
You were too.
I really seriously was because I think that when we're going Scandinavian, when you're placing things with wood, black is a really nice accent. And when you think about Scandinavian, it's really supposed to be light and airy. So sometimes black can be used as long as it's not used too much, too often, that it doesn't bring everything down. So I wanted to use this for the headboard, and I was just so stinking nervous that it would take away.
I think she was nervous because she didn't trust my carpentry
That's not
skills,
true.
my DIY skills. that I came through.
Okay, so I was nervous that the color was going to be a little too dark, and because it's a small space, because I wanted jet matte black. That was really important to me. So I just didn't, I saw it in my head, but I wasn't positive it would come together. And then with the lamp being a really big focal point, I'm a strong believer that every room should have one wow, and the headboard's a wow. It is beautiful. So I didn't want them competing for attention, but I'm so impressed with your skills, and it turned out so amazing, and now it's my favorite part of the entire RV.
It's looking pretty Scandinavian, right?
Are you digging it?
Before I was like, oh man, looks terrible.
Before?
Yeah, the second coat is looking
Ooh.
the dogs.
It sounds good, Nikhil. It sounds good.
Like paint. I think we should go in the house while Dad finishes up.
The second coat is definitely going on a lot better. It's wet right now, but it's gonna dry matte. What are you thinking?
I absolutely love it.
My favorite part of the bedroom is how we embraced my chip game side, joiner and chip game side.
Because we are that.
In the joinering games and chip games of RVs. We embraced it and we put in some shiplap panel on the wall. And actually, the best thing about this is we also want to put a TV in. And so it kind of made it a statement wall, but it also gave it a bit more support because it's a little bit, maybe half an inch thick. And so it gives us a bit more support putting that TV on the wall, makes it a bit more sturdier. I was a little bit of a headache getting it because I kept going to different stores and it was sold out, but some guys came through solid for me about 30-40 miles away, and we got it in there and it looks awesome. The sides of the RV aren't completely straight, so we gotta make a few little adjustments just to make sure it lines up nicely on the wall.
Do you remember in elementary school when you watched that movie about Johnny Tremaine, like the silversmith, and he gets like really burned and his life's like compromised because of it? I think Chris was going for that vibe today.
Yeah, we did a take 2 with our contact paper. Decided to get the contact paper again for the bedside tables. And
Johnny Tremaine,
as you can see, definitely got a lot of paper on the handgun. The heat gun.
Really bad.
Yeah, it was not nice at all, but...
But do you think it was worth it? I can't say it's worth it because I didn't get burned, but it looks beautiful.
I mean, it hurt, but it looks nice. It looks great. I love it.
I'm pretty happy about it.
Said I wasn't going to do this again. Contact paper. Let's get this. Let's give it a little weight. New contact paper on. Definitely went a little bit easier than the old one. I'm going to caulk it around the back there, on the sides with some white silicone.
To follow the Scandinavian design, we added some beautiful accents, and it just came together exactly how I envisioned it, which I'm so excited. We took out the really ugly arrangement that came with the RV, the faux arrangement that we very quickly pitched.
It's a thing over here. Just come over here. It's a pot of flowers.
I think that's gonna go.
No, I like them.
And we put in some succulents. We decorated everything in black and white and natural things like leather, and it just came together beautifully, and I'm so excited.
Come on in and take a new bedroom.
What we got? What we got?
We got the bed to like sit on, and we got the light.
Oh, a new light?
Yeah. And
Oh, cool. I like
we
that.
switched the plant.
Oh, for a real plant, not a plastic one?
Hmm?
That's cool, right?
And we got this right here. Contact
Oh,
paper.
that's nice. New contact paper on the side. What about the back of the bed? What's
Oh
that?
yeah, then the back of the bed's black.
Look at that, new headboard, huh? Pretty cool. Is that pretty Scandinavian, would you say?
Yeah.
Along with these pillows.
And the best part is the TV.
Oh my goodness. And what's on the TV? Oh, cool. A new light for ambience, huh? Well, that one might give me epilepsy. Whoa. Okay.
You love our RV bedroom remodel as much as we did because we're pretty obsessed with it. We still have a lot of work to do before we can hit the road in style, especially where we're sitting.
And comfort.
And comfort. That's so
and
true.
style, yeah.
We're in one of the ugly parts of our RV right now, so we can't wait to show you what we do when we make this over, or even the cool stools that we're sitting on right now. We're making a lot of progress little by little. So thank you so much for being a part of our journey. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you next Sunday.
Cheers.
Hi, Daddy.
I love you.
The day before we upload a vlog, and he's feverishly deciding on his next move. He's got his pros and cons list carefully laid out.
Bilbo.
Yeah, Bilbo.
Bilbo Baggins!